many ways can I say it, man? Damn it, let's toast. I ain't gotta brag, ain't gotta boast. I ain't made it yet, but damn it, I'm close. And everybody knows I'm going the most. Except no imitations. I'm inspiration. I'm elevation.
I'll be so mountain high, I'm feeling elevated. Fuck it, I can touch the sky. Riding this escalator, way to reach my destination. Never hesitating, even when them haters keep on hating. I'm the life of the party. No tailgating, drink that Bacardi. We fucking celebrating, no limitations. I gotta go all the way, and this time I'll be paving my own lane, letting no one hold me back or talk behind my back. And let's make it toast to never going broke, that's a fact. It's my life, I gotta make the best out of that. Inspired by the fire in my eyes that light up the night.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This is Skylife Projects. Hope everybody's doing good and staying blessed. Today, I got another video for you all. But before we start, if you could please like and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll always be alerted for future uploads like this. All right, well, today we're gonna do an unboxing of my SYNTH CARBON carbon fiber hood scoop for my 2021 Honda Civic Type R. So, without further ado, let's open it. Kids are in the background. Father or two, but still gotta make these videos. Basically like a second job. Okay, third job. Anyways, you guys check this out. Wow, look at this. Anything from SYNTH CARBON on their carbon fiber products, it does come fully ceramic coated from their factory. Perfect fitment. There we go. Nice venting. Solid venting. Look at the nice weave up close. Perfect. SYNTH CARBON, you guys, honestly, they really make well high quality products. So we're gonna see how this one goes, and I'll be back with you guys in just a moment. Much love, guys. My SYNTH CARBON carbon fiber hood scoop on my 21 Honda Civic Type R. So it's going to be going right there. The hood's popped, obviously. And then let me show you the mounting points, and then I'll grab the hood scoop. So right there, right there, right there, right there. And I believe there are two more clips up here. I'll have to look into that. But yeah, I think it's 5, because when you look at the carbon fiber hood scoop, you guys, look. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it is by SYNTH CARBON. I showed you guys the unboxing video. Yeah. So I will be back with you guys in just a moment. All right, guys, so got the hood popped, and I'm gonna show you where the mounting bolts are. So there's 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's where the bolts are. Got some light work right here. Make the video, obviously it's during nighttime, I'm installing in my garage. So yeah, we're gonna use a 10mm socket. That's what the bolt is. And I'm just gonna do it like this. Obviously you don't want to drop anything. So once you get it loose, just remove it tight. Here. Okay, next one. down here. Two more, guys, two more. All right, just one more, and it's all the way over here. Oh, wow. All right, so that's all 5. And now we just have to remove these pins up here, which I'm not sure how to get that off. But I'll be back to you guys in just a moment while I figure that part out. Hold up, guys. All right, guys. So what you have to do is I'm going to use a rubber mallet to safely pull up right here at the end. Just hit it out a little bit. Okay, one more. Let's see. Still one more. I feel like it's getting stuck on something here. Come on. Come on. All right, there we go. Hood scoop is off. All clips, bolts, and everything are still intact. Stock hood scoop is off. So now we're going to install the carbon fiber hood scoop. Like so, right there. Get back in the light, shining. And keep in mind, this is fully ceramic coated by SYNTH CARBON. So yeah, let's put this on, and it's to its mounting places. Take these off, right? All right, all right. Set those aside, and we're just going to mount it. Okay. Push down. I have all 3 sticking out. All right, you guys, so basically it comes with new hardware on the SYNTH carbon fiber hood scoop. I'll show you. Grab it. So it comes with this. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, a little washer, a little nut. Yeah, that's what it comes with. So what I'm doing, because there's no directions, so I'm just gonna use a washer on the end of the bolt and then just use that stock nut. So as you can see, I have the first one done. So we're gonna put this next one in. I put a cover down in case the washers or nuts drop or whatever. So there we go. Just gonna finger tighten real quick. And of course, I will speed the video up here when I'm tightening everything down. All right, there's 2. And I have to come all the way down here. Try to get this on here. All right, let's see. Good. All right, guys, I'm trying to get these on here. It's not exactly the easiest angle. Let's just move it over here for the camera. But I'll get them on. It's just not a decent angle. Let me get the third one on. The last one, I should say. All right, so they're all on. Again, 10mm socket. I use an extension just a little bit. And all right, Jay. And we're going to tighten it. Not all the way, not to the bottom. Set here. Still. There we go. There we go. All right, take a look. All right, guys, let's close the hood, see what she looks like. We'll bring the camera up. Take off this blanket, didn't lose any bolts. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. And there it is installed. Everything is nice and flush. Get the fingerprints off here in just a second. Matter of fact, let me do that real quick. Adam ceramic. Just gonna spray it on here. Give you guys a nice clean view. Clean towel. And there she is. Oh, a little more right there. All right, y'all. Hope you enjoyed this video. That was the install of the SYNTH carbon fiber hood scoop for my 21 Honda Civic Type R. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you always be alerted for future uploads like this. Until next time, this is Skylife Projects. Much love and blessings. Have a good one, guys.
red carpet rolls out. Royalties in my team, only things we talk about. Money coming in faster than it's ever been, like Cali. All we do is win, posted in the valley. Cash moves everything around me, like a money pool, you see me drowning. System in the trunk, bump bitches like the way it be sounding. Fill my cup up for the